What up, guys? I'm Appliance Tech from Trinidad and Tobago. My name is Joey, and fixorfling is me. Right? So, I always wanted to try something, and I get the opportunity to try it now. A client left a cooker by me, a slow cooker, real bad condition. She just leave it because she didn't know what to do with it, and I wanted it to do an experiment. I'm gonna show you what I mean. So this is it here. Here we have real residue. Now this is from the water. She used to just use it to boil water, so she could use the boiled water for other things. Never really cook anything in it. So today we're gonna try this method: vinegar and baking soda, and let's see if it cleans this. So we want to add, I just sprinkle it all over. I didn't get a measurement on how much to put. I don't know if I put enough or put in too much, right? But just basically coat it, right? So, and now we're going to add the baking soda. Now, doing my research on the sciencey part of it, what is actually happening is that all the bubbles are creating is supposed to be carbon dioxide, like you're not supposed to breathe. So while that happening, we'll just stop and give it a little rest and come back at it. Alright, so it's been about an hour now, still looks the same. I'm gonna try to hit it with some lime and see what happens. Alright guys, so this is the result after an hour and a half. I am seeing some difference here, right? So what I'm gonna do is add some more solution to it and leave it overnight. I want to know how abrasive it is, if it will take off the Teflon off of it, or will it just take out wasa. So stay tuned for part 2.